So we are going to start by drawing our animal. And I'm going to pull up, I'm going to do a rabbit. You want to do the outline of your rabbit. Well, whatever animal you choose. So also known as a silhouette. So you want to draw in pencil first. And we draw lightly first. So you can probably barely see what I'm drawing. That way if I make a mistake, I can go back and erase it. I'll try to draw quickly. As quickly as I can. What are my bunny? Because our focus is going to be the Zentangles that we are going to draw inside our picture. So once I get my bunny drawn, we can start adding the Zentangles. I'm going to outline it with my Sharpie so that you can see my bunny. And I have pictures available for you to look at. So an outline is also known as a silhouette. Now, a silhouette does not have any details here, so it's not a true silhouette. It's just an outline. And I keep looking back at my picture to make sure that I get what the rabbit looks like. So we see. So there's an outline of my rabbit, and then you have pictures available of different Zentangles, and Zentangles are fun. I printed mine out so that I have them available to look at, because personally I prefer to have them right at my fingertips to look at. And then you can just kind of go to town with. Now you can either start it with a marker if you don't feel comfortable with that. You don't have to do it with a marker. You can start with a pencil and trace it later on. That's up to you. But you want to make sure that you fill your whole rabbit or whatever animal you choose with your Zentangles. So I will show you different animal examples, and I will show you a finished example. And here is the finished product.